In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect your Logitech G29 to PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using the G29 on your PlayStation 5 is extremely simple. You will be able to connect it and use it natively. So first, make sure that you plug it into any of the available USB ports on your PlayStation 5. So plug the USB cable originating from the G29 into any of the ports available on your PlayStation 5. Once this is done, as long as the PlayStation 5 is powered on, the G29 should get detected as an input or a controller method, and you will be able to open any compatible game. You can also connect the pedals and the shifter to the G29 base as well. Once this is done, just open any compatible game, such as Gran Turismo 7. When you go inside of the game settings, you will be able to choose the Logitech G29 as the controller type, so you will be able to go over to controls, go into the settings, and choose wheel. You will be able to adjust the sensitivity, force feedback, and plenty of other things. Once this is done, you will be able to play and drive around using the G29. If it doesn't work, I'm going to give you various instructions that you can follow to adjust and troubleshoot this. First, for the simpler one, just try switching the USB port that you are using. So disconnect it from the original USB port that you connected into and try another one. Next, restart both the game and the console. So restart them both and see if it works when you turn them back on and you open the compatible game. Next, ensure that the game that you are trying to play is compatible. A lot of games, for example, GTA 5, do not have native steering wheel support, and if that's the case, then sadly you will not be able to use it in those titles. But most games, such as Gran Turismo 7, Dirt Rally, and so on, should have native support. And finally, if it still doesn't work, then sadly, you might have to contact the customer support for Logitech. Besides this, there's not much else that you can do to get it to work on your PlayStation 5. It should natively be detected and ready to be used when you choose it under the control settings on any compatible game. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Logitech G29 to PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.